make lousy parachutes.
All right. Welcome to the Lone Wolfer Garage neighborhood and another Lone Wolfer Garage moto vlog. I am the Lone Wolfer, and I am on my girl Bonnie, Bella, Dinah, and I have to go run some errands on this balls fucking hot day. Like, it is already, well, that's only saying 78 or something like that, but that's because this was in the garage where it was much cooler. But out here in the sunlight, from what I read, it was already 88 degrees at 10:30 in the morning, or 10:50 in the morning. This is ridiculous on how hot it is. But a day on the bike is always better than in a cage. You also might notice that I have my phone on my handlebars, and there's an image on there. That is the image from behind old Bonnie, Bella, Dinah here. After watching Anthony Roberson's video about people who have their camera on them and they're kind of just always have it looking at them, and they're just always worried about what they look like and their hand gestures and what they've got in their mouth and drinking from their cups or doing other dumb shit that nobody fucking cares about. I thought it'd be funny to kind of do the opposite and throw the camera on the back of my helmet. And I'm gonna be honest, just from the way it is right now, it's kind of cool, you know? Because like right now I could literally do a split screen and get both over there and back there. I don't know, this might be something new for me. Yeah, I've never been a real big fan of having the camera facing at me when I'm on the bike, and I don't really like a lot of videos where that's the case either. I much prefer just seeing what the rider is seeing when I'm watching moto vlogs. You know, I want to feel like I'm in the saddle with them on their lap. You don't need to look at my ugly face or my stupid fucking orange helmet or see my gestures as much. The two angles can come in handy for when you need to cut between things and to make things less boring for some people who have let's just call it fucking infant attention spans. But whatever, I don't know, I'd rather have like a mix of from the rider's perspective and even, God forbid, a 360 camera showing around the bike. And I'm not a huge fan of 360 stuff either, unless somebody does it right and they make it so that when I'm using my phone I can use all of the 360 footage. It's kind of awesome to actually get up and, like, you know, look around and, like, with your phone and move it around and see the different angles that are being recorded. But that's me. I don't know if anybody else really gives a shit about that, but I think that's fucking neat. But what I don't think is neat is staring at someone's ugly fucking mug, especially if they're like smoking a cigarette or sucking on a fucking cigar or eating or drinking while they're riding. Fuck that. I don't want to watch you stuff your face with shit. I don't want to watch you smoke on something. I don't want to watch you drink fluids. I don't want it, because it's fucking gross, and I don't want to hear your fucking mouth noises. I don't even want to see your mouth fucking noises. I don't even want to look at your face when you're talking to me, for Christ's sakes. All right, that's a lot there. That might be a little excessive. But specifically, yeah, I don't have any interest in seeing somebody, you know, smoking something, drinking something, eating something while they're riding a motorcycle, or while they're in a car, or while they're making a fucking TikTok, or while they're making a reel for Instagram. So how about we just fucking stop that shit? If you're trying to talk to a camera, get the fucking food out of your mouth. Real fucking simple. Or if you're talking to a microphone, get the fucking food out of your mouth. You're making the communication fucking impossible. And then the other reason why I don't really like having two cameras running is because, well, time. You know, this morning I was just trying to get out the door to go run these errands, and I wanted to be at Guitar Center at 11 o'clock when they opened up, but it is now 10:55, and it took me forever just to grab the cameras, make sure they were charged, put them on the bike, you know, set up this little whirligig here so that, you know, I knew what the fuck I was filming. It just takes too long. I'm the kind of guy that likes to like put my jacket on, put my helmet on, jump on the bike, go. Grab my keys, jump in the car, throw my seatbelt on, go. That's the kind of person I am. And having two cameras in a setup is, let's just say, detrimental to that mentality. But I am a fan of being able to see behind me along with my side mirrors. And this could be useful in scenarios where I'm riding with somebody else and they are behind me and I'm talking to them and I don't have the footage from their helmet, or they're not wearing a camera. But this might be something I might bust out every once in a while, just like I bust out having my phone on my handlebars every once in a while when I need to use it, when I need that extra support, either making sure the camera is facing a good direction and look, the view looks good, or if I really do need the audio and the visual for directions. Because aside from that, I don't ever have my phone on the handlebars. Or, well, actually, no, when I'm like doing some tuning shit on the bike, you know, because the fuel pack has the ability to show me the stuff on the screen in real time. That's kind of nifty and handy when it comes down to it. You know what, I think I'm going to be done asking for people to subscribe. It'd be cool if you liked it. If you don't, keep on trucking. But I will keep asking for you folks to talk to me down in the comments section below, because I really enjoy the conversations and the friends I've made so far on this little vlogging adventure that I call the Lone Wolfer Garage. But I hope you guys have had a wonderful summer, and then it's rounding out and ending in all the best ways possible. Right now it's a bit too hot here in Connecticut and New England for my liking, but it will soon be fall. It'll soon be leaf peeping season, and I'll be able to go ride in the cooler air and enjoy myself a bit more, maybe. All right, rock on.